The distinctive of installs with us is that we don't just bolt it to the floor and bolt for the door. We stay as long as it takes to thoroughly train your personnel up to full production. Because of our thorough testing before it even leaves our building, that is an efficient process when it gets to your facility.
Typically it takes a week depending on the size of the project or the complexity of the equipment, but there's a couple things that sets us apart. We engineer every single detail ahead of time, so that way we don't have surprises or delays or downtime for the customers when we're starting up the equipment.
One thing that's critical in building one-off and prototype machinery like we do is that extensive testing is done to smooth out the functions to make sure it works as if we had produced 1,000 of them.
We thoroughly test every piece of equipment here at the shop as much as we can. We can have a factory acceptance test here, and we can actually show our customer how the parts are going to flow through a line right here. And then when we get in to their site and start installing it, a lot of that testing doesn't need to be done. It's been completed.
What that means is that when we deliver the equipment at the customer's facility, it's ready to go. We have worked out almost every bug that there could have been.
It does make a difference when we get out there. It's a really quick installs and we're ready to run. As soon as we get power hooked up, within a day we're running. We'll work at night, we'll work during the day. When we do installs, we work around their schedules to keep them running.
We need to be as efficient as possible to get them back up and running so they can produce parts and be back to making money for themselves. You complete the machine, you install it, you see it producing the product at the rate of speed and precision that it was designed to do. It's also very rewarding to see that in production, and it's a great sense of accomplishment.